can run, but you can't hide.
Good evening, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you guys his parents?
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 No, sir. Not really.
Not 100%.
Sir, any problem?
Your son is owing me money.
What?
And it's been running for years.
Sir, who won't run away? Even me. If you give me the permission, I will also run away.
Sir, we are sorry on his behalf. Please.
All I want is my money.
How much is he owing you?
1.5 million.
Yeah!
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Ojo! You have less than 10 seconds to come downstairs. Else, you won't be running away from him alone, but from the three of us.